I chose to study finance at Fox to build a foundation for a rewarding career in finance.
My program delivers dedicated CFA exam modules and study packages. It helps us to get more opportunities.
The fact that they were practical, they were not just theory, like you could actually see that you were using practical applications.
Having an academic director that's a CFA charter holder is a great benefit because he consistently drops nuggets of wisdom and value, of tips and techniques.
I think the classes really prepared me for a level of finance knowledge that goes beyond typical undergrad education.
The professors that we have are all practitioners, so it's not just the theory that we get from them, we also have a peek into what actually happens in the industry.
We get more hands-on experience with new innovation and technology in finance.
We start off with Finance Academy, which is a boot camp of sorts, and is very intense and very valuable.
I can use RStudio to find out what's the trends of the economy, Python to find out the data trends, stock chart to build up my own investment portfolio.
For the CFA Research Challenge, the most I liked was working with the team because we all came from different backgrounds and we all got to kind of learn real-world experience.
Having CFA really benefited me. It allowed me to move into a direct investments role. And without the charter, I think that would have been a lot more challenging.
Our campus is absolutely beautiful.
Alter Hall itself, I think, is a fantastic facility for a business school. It's a really modern building, has great technology.
The facilities here for studying finance are second to none.
I really enjoy having all those Bloomberg Terminals where we're able to go through and search all the companies for our projects.
It's great to be in the city and have a campus that's really part of Philadelphia.
I thought it was the perfect combination of being a city but not having the hassle and bustle of a big city like New York.
I think Philadelphia is a great city because it's large enough that it has a lot to offer. I mean, it's really centrally located. It's close to New York, close to DC, so it's really a good place to start your career. There's students with a wide variety of backgrounds.
I've had a chance to make really good connections in my class.
My classmates are intelligent, they're committed, they're very helpful, and they're very diverse from different backgrounds and countries.
For me, I came right from undergrad. I had no work experience. But there are also students who had more work experience, students, international students.
We spent a lot of time talking about our countries and different cultural differences and how we're managing between, being an international student and having to deal with the differences of American lifestyle.
I think it allowed me to advance in my career more rapidly.
My master's degree will give me an advantage by providing me with relevant industry skills and knowledge, and also it will give me the strength of Temple's great alumni.